If you're tired of the complexity and bulkiness of SCSS, it's time to discover an alternative that will make your work simpler, faster, and more efficient. Simple CSS is the new player in the CSS preprocessor market, offering more effective solutions for modern web developers. Find out how Simple CSS can save you time and effort, and why it might become your next favorite tool. Let's explore the differences and why Simple CSS is worth your attention. SCSS offers variables and the ability to reuse styles, but this can sometimes lead to code bloat, especially in large projects. Simple CSS makes using variables more flexible by leveraging the power of JavaScript, and it can also utilize CSS variables through $. However, this is unnecessary if the variables are static. This approach makes style management easier and the code more readable. While SCSS supports nesting, it requires explicit declarations for each level of nested pseudoclasses, which can lead to more verbose and less intuitive code, especially in complex scenarios. Simple CSS, on the other hand, allows for more intuitive and compact nesting of pseudoclasses. This makes the code easier to write, read, and maintain, especially when dealing with complex style rules. While SCSS allows for modularization through its use, managing dependencies between different stylesheets can become complex as the project grows. This can lead to confusion and difficulty in maintaining consistency across large projects. Simple CSS leverages JavaScript's native module system, allowing for more flexible and powerful management of styles. By using JavaScript, developers can easily import, manipulate, and reuse styles across files, making the codebase easier to maintain and more modular. While SCSS provides powerful mix-ins, they can sometimes lead to overcomplicated and repetitive code, especially in projects where mix-ins are heavily relied upon. This can make the codebase harder to read and maintain, as mix-ins might become too generic or complex to serve diverse use cases effectively. In Simple CSS, mix-ins are implemented as JavaScript functions, which allows for more flexibility and readability. Developers can take advantage of JavaScript's full functionality to create more dynamic and tailored solutions, reducing the risk of overcomplication and improving maintainability in larger projects. But wait, it can be even easier. In JavaScript, we can iterate through the data. As you see, Simple CSS offers a more modern and flexible approach to working with CSS by utilizing the power of JavaScript. This not only simplifies your workflow but also significantly reduces development and debugging time. Simple CSS is not just an alternative to SCSS, it's the next step in the evolution of CSS preprocessors. Simpler, faster, and more flexible. If you're looking to enhance your development skills and save time, Simple CSS is your choice.